Hello, parents. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a restful and great holiday. We are back tomorrow. I just wanted to cover a couple new things that are going to be changing. We haven't been remote in quite a long time, so a couple things have changed. One of the major things is now we are going live. For reading and math every single day. And we have lessons on Florida Virtual that need to be submitted for reading and math. So instead of having one lesson, usually it was like math on Monday and then a reading lesson due that Monday. Now it's um, two reading, two lessons due, one for reading, one for math, and two live lessons, one for reading, one for math. Um, another new thing that is changing is our attendance policy. From now on, the way we are taking attendance is not when your students log into Canvas, it's um, their teachers seeing them live in lessons. If they do not come to any lessons, they will be marked absent. If they don't show up to their morning lessons, they will be counted tardy. Um, Same for their afternoon lessons if they only show up for one. You have to show up for all three, and all three are interventions in the morning. Every single student has one every morning, and then my reading lessons at 10:30, and then our math lessons at 12. So they have to show up for all those three for them to be counted as here, and their camera have to be on. So I have to see that they are working and interacting, and that's how the new attendance policy works. They don't have to do the Florida virtual lessons that exact second, but I recommend not waiting just because it's very easy to get caught up with a lot of stuff and then wait till the last second, and it's just better to try to get it done as soon as possible. So it's good to go. Another thing, your students will need their black binder that was given out at the end of November. It has a marker, a whiteboard, all that stuff that they need. They need their whiteboard and the marker every day for class. Um, and then and then all their Florida virtual packets are in their backpacks. Each student has them. If you have any questions on that, let me know. This next part is going through my Canvas. If you know how my Canvas works, then you don't need this part. Okay, let's see. So your students are going to log into Canvas, and they're going to see my module over here. Also, it's saved on a little tab or each of their computers. It's red. It has Canvas just like this. So they click over here. Let me go to student view. Student view. So this is what your students will see. So the schedule is already up. This week's schedule. This is my WebEx link. Okay, so Monday, you'll go to Monday. Everything is on my module. You do not have to go out at all for reading, for math, or for PE. Everything is on here. These are the intervention groups already. For example, if you're Angel, you're going to H, you're going to click on here and it'll open up WebEx. If you're Aretha, you're with Miss C, so you're going to click at 8:05 over here, and that's her intervention time. If you're Anna, you're going to click over here for mine. So on and so forth. These are the intervention times. Then we have specials. The blue links are, it'll take you to the WebEx. Okay, I will fix that. And then, so these are the Florida Virtual Lessons. So you click on it and you'll go through it. Just like before, each lesson all the way to the end to 16. And for this particular one, there's a quiz for homework. It's a quiz, and that's how I know that your students did the lessons, and that's how they're going to be graded. This is our live time from 10:30 to 11. This is reading, and then lunch is from 11 to 12. And then a live math lesson, my office hours, and then math. Again, same thing with math. You click to go through the lesson, and then you do the students do the homework afterwards. This one is an assignment. I also put which assignment is needed. So you can look specifically in your packets. It says 604. And this is a paper that you're looking for that needs to be turned in. So you're going to go to submit. Then you're going to go to media. Hold on. Wow, it has been a second since I've done this. Sorry, just kidding. You're going to go to File, Upload. You're going to click on the bottom and click Camera. And then you're going to take a picture of their assignment. And then you're going to choose File and go to their pictures. And scroll down to Camera Roll to get that picture, and then you can submit it just like that. And that's pretty much it. Everything is already on there. If you leave at all for quarantine, this is where you would go. All the lessons are already on there by month. Or if you get backed up a week or something, you can always go on here and the lessons are already on there. Or if you want to go ahead, the lessons are already on there. Okay, if you have any other questions, please email me on Class Dojo. I'll be happy to answer them, but that's pretty much the go-to. I will see your students all ready to go tomorrow morning. Thank you so much.